Good morning, dear students. Dear students, in last class we learned about the major landforms, in which we talk about the two process, that is the weathering and the erosion. And we also learned about the work of the river. We learned how the waterfalls, meanders, oxbow lakes, levees, floodplains and delta forms. So dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about the continuous part of the software our staging earth. So in which we are going to learn about the work of seas, work of sea waves and the work of ice and the work of wind. So let us study about the first, that is the work of sea. So dear students, the work of sea waves, in which we talk about the sea caves from the deposition and the erosion of the sea waves. So the continuous strike at the rock, then a crack are developed in the rocks. So over a long time these cracks become wider and larger. Thus holes like caves are formed on the rock. So that is called as the sea caves. Sea caves. And when these caves become bigger and bigger, when only the cave roof are remain, then it form the sea arches. Sea arches. And when the only roof walls are remain from breaking of erosion are called as the stocks. And on the sea water, vertically slip, rocky coast rising is called the sea cliff. Here we see the sea cliff. Sea cliff. On the shore forming beaches, sea wave deposit its sediments here, students. So let us talk about the work of the ice. So dear students, here we see the things which will erode the landscape by building. Here students, to erode the landscape by bulldozing soil and stone to expose the solid rock below the glaciers. It means the river of the ice. Carve out deep holes. When these ice melt, they get filled up with the water, and this water become a beautiful lake in the mountains. And these glaciers carried small rocks also and big rocks also, and silt and sand, and these are all deposited here, students, and these deposits are from the glacial moraines. Glacial moraines. So dear students, in today's class we talk about the work of a sea, in which we see the sea cave and sea arches, stocks and sea cliff, how it forms. And in the work of the ice we learned about how the glacial moraines are forms. Okay students, that's all for today's class, students. Thank you.